Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Georgian Nicole here. Yes, I know I look crazy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this. I've been getting a lot of questions and requests on what I'm using in my hair and how I style it and everything. I washed my hair 2 days ago. This hair has been slept on and everything. It was styled yesterday when I went to work, and now this is how it looks when I get up. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'll be starting with my DIY mixer here. So it's just in a spray bottle. I use this to wet my hair, and this has water in it. It has my curl activator, and it also has a little castor oil in it. This is my curl activator. It's my LustraSilk Curl Max curl activator. It's a big container, which I really like. It really works well with my hair, and it keeps my hair moisturized for days. So I really like that. And I have my little oil dispenser here. I have castor oil in it, Jamaican castor oil. So I poured some inside this container so it's easier to dispense in my roots with this nozzle here. So let's get started. First I'm going to use my pick. So I'm just pulling it from the roots and stopping at the ends. And after I do this with my pick comb, I go in with my spray bottle. So I just shake it up, and then I start spraying, and I just rub as I spray. Not too much water, but I just spray a little bit as I go around to see where it's dry and just rub it in. And as you can see, the curls have started to form a little bit. So after I wet it, I'm going to add more curl activator, and I need to add a generous amount because you know your hair is natural and it absorbs a lot. So I just rub it up in my hand. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in my hair, and I just start rubbing. And put a little bit more. As you can see, the curls are really coming in. So you just rub it, rub it, rub it. It helps to form the curls a lot more. For more definition, I will use small amount of my gel, and I will just distribute it evenly throughout my hair. And the gel that I'm currently using is the EcoStyle, this one here, the gold one that has olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil. So I'll just take a little bit, and then I'll just pull my hair just to help define the curls a little bit more. And now for the fun part, I'm going to add some gel to my edges. I'm using the same Eco Style gel. Might still see a little bit more residue, but it will go away like throughout the day as the hair starts to dry, so don't worry about that. I was worried about it, but with time, like after you're finished styling your hair and you've gone about your day, it will just eventually go away. And I love my edges laid, so I add a generous amount of gel to my edges. And I'm going to add my parting. So I use my tail comb and I just make a parting. And I like to curve it to the front here, like that. To make it easier to part, you can start like adding some gel because it will start laying on its own, so it's easier for you to like see what you're doing. And a little technique I use the tail of the comb and I just wipe it and just do that. Just to keep it on that side. So now I'm gonna start defining my edges. And this is my favorite part. So I use my finger to guide as I go around. So I take some of the hair out and I use my finger and I just carry it across like that. And I use the edge just to do that. Of course, now that my hair is natural, it's not, for some reason it doesn't stay down all day, it kind of curls back up, but it looks okay. It doesn't really bother me that it curls back up because I still think it looks cute. So that's one. And then the other side. And I just pull it in like that. Yeah. Now for the next side. This one kind of plays with me sometimes because sometimes I put it to the side here, but then I don't have that little sideburn, but I want it. So is it I'll go back over and just make these make them smaller, and so I can get the sideburn that I want. And there it is. Get some more gel and I just play with it, twirl it. And I use my finger and I press it down like that. And then I just let it do its own thing right there and right right here. This one always more than this one, but it works. And now, as you can see, my hair got a little bit flatter, so I'm going to go back in with the pick and just pull it up for a little bit more volume. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Just a little info. For my curl max, I learned about this product from This Is Ray Ray, that's on YouTube, not It's My Ray Ray. This is Ray Ray. She is a naturalista as well, and this is her holy grail product, and it has now become mine. Like, I really love it, and I just really love the fact that I get a lot of product in this. Like, it's 590 mils that's in this bottle, so it's going to last me a good little while, especially because my hair is not like, I don't have a lot of hair right now, and I've been using this almost every day, and it takes me roughly 10 minutes to do my hair. And just to go over, this is my refresher, like I said, my DIY refresher. It just has castor oil in it and my curl activator. This is my go-to hairstyle right now. There's not much that I can do with my hair at this, you know, where it is right now at this stage of its growth. Like, it's really short and I'm really enjoying it right now. Like, I think it's really cute and my TWA style. Yeah guys, so that's it for this video. For all you new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. If you'd like to see more content like this, please hit the like button and also leave a comment so I can know what you guys think about this hairstyle. And if you guys would like to try this hairstyle, please feel free to do so. Tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your, you know, recreation of this simple look. And for all of you that have been here with me from day one, like, big up, appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming back each time. Thanks for liking my videos, sharing on Facebook. Like, you guys know I really appreciate it, and I always respond to any comment that you guys leave. Yeah, so stick with me. Let's see how far we're gonna go with this hair journey, this natural hair journey. I'm loving it. Thank you guys so much once more for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. God bless you and take care. Bye.